Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super Valentine's Day look. So I'm starting off with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette with this light pink color. Valentine's Day is all my favorite colors in a holiday. I love it. You're going to be applying that to the crease and making sure everything's super blended. Now I'm picking up this orangey, peachy shade to blend that into the crease as well, just to make sure everything's really seamless. Picking up this magenta color, I'm going to be packing that onto my lid, making sure you're using packing motions to create the most pigment. Taking this hot pinky red shade, I'm going to be adding that to my outer corner to make some extra dimension. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just going to make sure everything's super blended once again. I've noticed there's quite a bit of fallout with these palettes, but I'm just using a fluffy brush to dust off all the extra fallout. Now I'm just taking this MAC blush and applying that to my cheeks. Now I'm just prepping my lashes for falsies. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I'm just using tweezers to apply my lashes, placing them down the middle and then securing both ends down. Now I'm just taking some of this lighter pink again and applying that to my lower lash line. I'm just applying mascara to the middle of my lower lashes. This is going to create a really rounded eye look. Next I'm going to be taking my MAC liquid lipstick in Ruby Woo and lining my lips with that. While we're waiting for our lips to dry, we're going to be applying highlight. This is Hustle Money by Fenty Beauty. Taking Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics and applying that to the center of my lips. This is going to create a really nice ombre effect, making your lips look nice and plump, but also creating the perfect pink color for this look. Alright, that's the final look. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day and let me know if you recreate this. Bye! Thanks for watching!